This video examines a Blacksmith Turner Guild Daybook of smelter work involving iron bronze hard alloy from H845, H875, M2107, and M2108. It includes entries relating to H845B on alloying metals and guilds. H845C mentions maram and uruku ulai, referring to a wooden structure and a melting furnace. H845A discusses the sal splinter or workshop plus kanda, a jack or notch, suggesting tool handling. The text also interprets words like kara for wristlets or rings, karnika for jar rims, and corrado possibly for a turner, relating them to bronze and hard alloy. Further entries for M2108 and M-2107 mention tandak kuchi. The record references the iron bronze hard alloy list, covering H845, M2107, and M2108. H875B mentions kolam, or 3, reinterpreted as kolimi or smithy/forge. It also refers to quote the divisions and implements. Signature 67 points to kambara or fish fin, linking it to kamada for coin, mint, or workshop.